Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, chapter 153. So here it is. Let's read the story. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, Yan Yan, she need to wake up so she can leave and she have a taping soon. Well, this girl, finally, she can able to stay with Akshu even though it was a short period of time. Well, it seems that she already awakened and she was staring at Akshu cause she was still sleeping, but finally she got awakened also. She was touching hers. Well, Jian, it seems that Akshu got awakened because she is not beside her. Still, she looks sleepy. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. And it seems that Jian said to her, "Sorry to wake you up. It's time for me to go. Don't get up." Still, she need to take rest. But Akshu said, "I'm going to send you." But of course, Jian, she was declining and she said, "Is the new selections good?" Well, it seems that she really wanted her to stay and not send her away. Well, finally, she already calmed down, and Yan Yan, she kissed her gently. Akshu, she was staring at Jian. Well, after that, she is going to leave, and finally, she said goodbye to hers. Jian said to her, "Close your eyes. She need to go back to sleep." After a while, Yan Yan, it seems that she was in a good mood. Look at her, she was smiling, and also proudly, she was thinking about Akshu. But right now, her secretary, it seems to be calling her. Could it be that the shooting is going on? Well, after a few hours, finally, Akshu, she already got awakened, even though she looks really sleepy. Well, suddenly realizing that there's a note on the table and it said, "Drink it while it's hot." Now, Jian, she suddenly stood up and she was going after the bottle. "Well, Teacher Jing, breakfast is ready." It turns out, "Hey, Teacher Jing, you woke up so early today. Can you help me to put away this thermos and use this later?" Now, it makes sense. She knows that her thermos was on her bag. Is this the cup Miss Wan gave me last time? "No, finally," Akshay said. "No, this one is Yan Yan's." Well, probably her secretary was going to get crazy about this. Look at her, suddenly realizing that it was Yan Yan's thermos, and it makes sense. She don't see her last night. It looks like the couple's pair. Well, is she going to tease her, or probably it was nothing to her, but for Jian, she's not declining it and said, "Yeah, well, she's not afraid or she don't want to hide it anymore." Now, looking at Yan Yan, she was sneezing. "Henya, we will arrive at the first conference later. It will be promoted. Coordinations. Well, this is the photo you took after a few years ago. You still have to do these activities." Her manager said to her, "Please be more cooperative." But Yan Yan, it seems that she was really happy today. "Rest assured, I know," Yan Yan said to her manager. But let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!